Many factors go into raising soybean yields, but one factor that's been proven over multiple years of research, a factor that won't raise input costs, is planting soybeans early. Researchers at DuPont Pioneer have conducted multiple studies evaluating soybean planting dates. They found there's a 2 to 3 bushel per acre advantage when planting in mid to late April as compared to early May planting dates, and a 15 bushel advantage when planting in late April compared to mid-June. Data from Purdue University and Iowa State both agree with Pioneer's data, showing that planting beans in late April and early May can increase yields as compared to beans planted in mid-May through early June. There's a couple reasons that this occurs. The first is that when soybeans are planted early, they can put on another node, which means another spot for potential pods. This translates to more pods per square foot and more beans per acre. The second reason has to do with soybean physiology. Earlier planted beans will start to flower sooner, extending the time spent in reproductive stages and allowing the plants to capture more sunlight during the longest days of summer. This chart is adapted from data from an Iowa State study. It's comparing soybeans planted on April 18th with the red dots to soybeans planted May 22nd, which is the blue dots. The beans planted in April spent an additional 17 days in reproductive growth, and they started flowering about 2 weeks before the summer solstice, allowing them to convert sunlight from the longest days of the year and put it into energy for reproductive rather than vegetative growth. Two of the primary concerns with planting beans early are seedling diseases and sudden death syndrome. There are seed treatments available today that can really help reduce the risk of these diseases. If you have questions, you can contact your Pioneer sales representative about which treatment options could work best for you. In a period where we're looking to maximize yields without increasing production costs, it makes sense to look at planting soybeans early. You can find more information by clicking on the links below this video or by contacting your local Pioneer sales team.